we've got 51 points down on the Sensex. And for the Nifty, it's a cut of about 18 points. 49.04 for the Nifty and 53 points down for the Sensex. Let's look at large cap banks. Banks, to my mind, they really hold the key. Large cap banks one by one. ICICI Bank at 811. Axis Bank is off to a flat start. And HDFC, it's HDFC Bank. Sub 500 rupees for HDFC Bank, followed by State Bank of India, which is at 1956. Sun Pharma. Taro came out with good set of numbers that will have some impact on Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, even though it's a liquid stock, it is off to a decent start. 577 rupees for Sun Pharma. Novelis came out with disappointing set of numbers, and that will have an impact on Hindalco, and Hindalco is down by about 2 rupees, 108, 109 for Hindalco. Infosys Technologies, L&T and Reliance Capital, three other heavyweights which managed to bounce back in the last 30 minutes of trade. The follow-up buying is missing. 8 rupees down for L&T, followed by Reliance Capital, which is at 318. And I also want to check in on Infosys Technologies, because one is getting a sense that given the way our rupee has depreciated against the dollar, it's time to revisit currency sensitives.
Okay, result reactions coming in for MCX. So that stock has started off well. Let's also get your status check on what TVS Motors is up to. The net profit came in at 57 crore rupees versus a comparable 44. So TVS has had a good start, up by about 3% or so. Jet Airways, and wherein you must be seeing some weakness as well this morning. Disappointing set of numbers. The loss is only deepened to 298 crore rupees versus a comparable loss of 124 crore rupees. So it's a good 2% downtick that you're currently seeing on Jet. And Orbit Corp is the other one which came out with its earnings, wherein the net sales have come in up almost 80%, 1.75% up in the green for Orbit. Some other stocks which are, or other companies which are slated to come out with their earnings, BPCL, Crompton, Trade Offshore and ITC are going to be the big ones that you would want to watch out for. Reliance Infrastructure as well as Sun TV and Suzlon as well are slated to come out with their earnings. So watch out for all these names. Future Capital, wherein the Warburg board is likely to have approved Future Cap's investment. That's an ET Now exclusive. Future Capital holding up by about 4% or so. Bharti, let's get your status check on that one. Considering it's acquired the 49% in Qualcomm India's BWA entities for a sum total of $165 million. And Bharti good going for a second day on the trot, 1.6% up in the green. I want to also get your status check on Idea as well. Let's see whether or not there is follow-up gains coming in for Idea. Not quite. So Idea is a little soft. Tulip Telecom as well, the other partner for the Bharti deal, or rather the other company related to the Bharti deal. Tulip Tele still down by about 1% or so. Sun Pharma, like Nikunj talked about, that is one stock to watch out for. Taro's earnings are out, and it's been a top line appreciation of 34.7% to $145 million. Sun Pharma seeing the rub-off effect. You've also got Glenmark, which is close to a final clinical trial for an asthma as well as arthritis drug. So watch out for this one as well. You've also got news coming out on GMR Infrastructure this morning, wherein their arm has tied up a 540 crore rupee debt for their Udaipur-Ahmedabad Expressway project. And of course, JP Associates is the one which is the newsmaker today. They are looking at repaying about 3,000 crore rupees of FCCBs next month. That is something you read on the Economic Times. First thing this morning, Havells India, they refinanced their 714 crore rupees debt. Again, that is what the ET is reporting. So Havells too has started off a smidge in the green.